Walking on the streets of Venice is a unique experience that will stay with you forever. With its winding canals, ancient buildings and bridges, and vibrant culture, it's easy to see why Venice has been a beloved destination for centuries. From the iconic Piazza San Marco to the bustling Rialto Bridge, there's something for everyone in this beautiful city. Whether you're looking for an adventure or just want to take in the sights, Venice offers an unforgettable journey through history. So put on your walking shoes and explore one of Europe's most romantic cities. Chioggia is a small port city located in the Veneto region of Italy. It is often called the Little Venice. The streets of Chioggia are lined with colorful buildings and the quaint canals make it a charming place to explore. Walking along the streets of Chioggia is like stepping back in time, as you will find yourself surrounded by centuries-old architecture and vibrant culture. From the old churches to the lively markets, there is something for everyone in this charming Italian city. Spend some time exploring its narrow alleyways and discover why Chioggia has become one of Italy's most beloved cities. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.